Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to connect dogs to Binance wallet address. At first head over to dogs and then you want to tap on connect wallet and claim and then click on view all wallets. Unfortunately, Binance is not completely supported in my country, but you should see the Binance on your phone. So just click on Binance and then let's say this is Binance. So I'm just showing this as an example. So after you click on it, it's gonna ask you for two things. First is a deposit address, second is a memo. The way you're gonna get that is head over to Binance, and there is two ways. One, you'll find this wallet option over here. I don't have that, but I have deposit, so I'm going to click on deposit and then click on deposit crypto. From there we're going to search for dogs, click on it and then choose the network, which is Toncoin, and then click on OK. And then you can see this is my deposit address and this is my dog's memo. Just copy it and paste it over there, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.